I was a rocket scientist working at NASA at Johnson Space Center. I had some friends there who decided to start one of the early game companies. I was young, so I could work at NASA all day and I could work on computer games all night. And so I started writing games for them. I'm Mark Baldwin. I'm a professor of practice here in the computer science department at Mines. To me, games are a form of storytelling. The game designer creates an environment in which story is created between the game designer and the actual game player. The Perfect General is basically a tactical military game. The idea was to make it easy, clean, simple set of rules while still developing fairly complex gameplay. And I think we achieved that. It's not about an idea. I have this idea for a game. That's worthless. Taking that idea and turning it into a set of mechanics and a world in which the mechanics work and automatically create story is where the skills of the game designer is.